Fashalo National Forensic Science University Tripura Campus Day National Law University Tripura Campus ni bisingo agreement wngkha khongnai campus ni students roni hamkrani bagwi o agreement wngkha ashalni pando manjaka National Forensic Science University ni Director Dr. HK Pratihari National Law University Agartala ni Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. YP Singh ashalni pando kognarangna ni thangai National Forensic Science University ni Director Dr. HK Pratihari saga Tripura wa avono foila abohai agreement wngkha students roni hamkrani bagai aboha yafrina harzaka tamani bagai hinke hakotoro criminal activity belakina slaizaka avorono investigation khlaina ni bagai tango forensic science police legal expert legal process avo jotone kerong bai khatarjak bote bisaka chini kaisano naisimo kovoino jotone baskango toboi wngknani aboni bagai ni o agreement khlaizaka
the MOU with the law, I think law university is very, very important. Because you know the whole criminal justice system in our country is very, very complex. Because if you consider the law in the entire investigation process, the core is the police, investigating agency. Then comes your forensic science laboratory, then comes medical legal expert, then comes judiciary, then comes correctional services. So this is a very complex system. But the whole complex system sits over the law. So everybody is bound with the law and everybody is an interlock. I cannot work without the police and law cannot work without the police. So this whole chain, we are all interlocked one by one. But our objective is one because we are searchers of truth. Everybody is searching for truth, whether the police or the judiciary or the forensic scientist or the medical science. So if the purpose is solved, generally we will be successful. So we are interlocked with each other. We can't work without others. So second thing, today is a very ceremonious day, is a very important day for us. It will be written in the history of our NFSU Tripura campus, and we are proud that we are going to have this affair with the law department first time. So it will be a great achievement for us.
Ashalni Pandovo Associate Dean Dr. Arfan Dr. Roy, Coordinator Altanu Kumar Das, NFSU Deputy Registrar Dr. Jyoti Roy Chaudhary no khowai Governor Adong Shungrok Manjak Baikha. Be report. Kok Khara.